Hi guys, welcome to Balcony Garden where you can grow your own food on your tiny place. Today's video I am going to show you how to take out seeds from a tomato for free, and this method is really going to work. Yesterday I bought some tomatoes from Tesco and I will share with you how to take out seeds. Okay, let's cut it out and then we will see. Just cut the tomatoes in half, and then easiest way to clean the pulp from tomatoes is by using paper towel. As you can see, there are seeds, right? I'm using a paper towel as it will absorb the moisture from the seeds, the pulp of a tomato. Okay, I'm going to take out seeds one by one, as you can see. Now you are ready to sow your seeds in your seedling trays. I'm going to put them. I only planted 4 seeds, yes, in a 4 cup. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 seeds are already germinate, and the 4th one, it didn't germinate yet. It's been more than 1 week already. So after that I thought that maybe my result will failed or I cannot show you. I immediately the next day I go to a gardening shop and I bought the seeds also of tomatoes, and then I just do the seedlings on this side. You can see 1 2 3 4. I put 4 seeds in a 1 cup. This side also 4 seeds in a 1 cup, but already I have almost all the seeds are germinate already. And you can see from the free seeds they are already also germinate. So as you can see, the germinate rate is very good. I only planted 4 seeds and 3 of them already grown up. It means you can also get a free seeds. I'm going to show you my next update after 15 days when I will see that tomatoes are grown up already and they are ready to be transplanted, so you can know how to transplant them. Okay guys, see you again, and please, if you learned something from this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you can learn how to grow your own food in your tiny place. Bye bye.